Found this on the side of the road, y'all. But this has to be a life lesson.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Strapping and Adventures Outdoors. We are going out today to try to see if we can get a whole trailer load of strap since we are off today. So let's get to it.
What I do my turkey back. Where are we put?
Alright, y'all. We got that. On to the next.
On to the next. It looks like it's out. Take it. Oh.
My turkey. My turkey.
Sure. Right. Push right now. Yeah.
Get it away. On to the next. Found this on the side of the road, y'all. On to the next, y'all. Can I bend them over?
Will they take it like that?
Huh?
Will they take it like that?
Yeah, I said I wasn't going to.
Looks like we got some dark clouds starting to form.
They said that there was supposed to be some corn.
Some people were trying to sit there and say that it was gonna snow. That it was gonna be cold enough to snow. It may get cold enough to snow, but it ain't gonna be cold enough for it to stick.
Right. Quick, clean up our mess. Alright, on to the next. Yeah. On to the next, y'all. I think that's aluminum. I should be able to stack it, right?
Should. But you got the magnet.
I'll figure it out later. Right behind you. On to the next.
Hey, you'll need to blow your turkey up.
Alright, plastic. Got a question. Do you want a plastic mailbox or do you want the metal one that's at the house?
Either one.
I can make that work for us. On to the next. On to the next. On to the next. Alright, on to the next. Not worry about that cord today. Come on, my God.
There's a metal piece right there.
little piece out. Let's go back in. Alright, let's go see how much we made. We only had 220 pounds and only made $15.40. We spent $20 in gas, but we still got $10 of that, so we made a $5 profit. Today was not a good scrap day. It's Friday, November the
6th, I think.
November the 7th, and it's Friday. Normally we do good whenever we don't pick up on Fridays, but we didn't do nothing. Alright, y'all. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, but I want to jump on here real quick and talk to y'all. I wasn't even going to post this video because of how short it was. I was just going to make it longer. Basically add another thing to it, but this has to be a life lesson for all of us. Just because something doesn't go your way doesn't mean to just wait or cancel or whatever. That just means it's a life lesson. So I'm taking this as a life lesson. I mean, as y'all probably could tell whenever I came back from the scale house with the money, you could tell that I was kind of disappointed about how much we made today. We rode around for 6 hours looking for scrap metal, and so that's all we found. And I was disappointed a little bit, but after I was driving back home, and on the way back home, we just got back, and I was thinking, why am I disappointed? Just take this as a life lesson and do what you can with it. Don't just cancel out the video and make it longer or anything. Basically what I'm saying is every video isn't going to be long. Every video is not going to be perfect. Every scrap one isn't going to be $50, $100. So just take what you can and keep scrapping. And also, this is Scrapping Adventures Outdoors. We're out. Peace. So, anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. We're going to try to do better on the next one. On to the next.
In the shadows we get down, keep on walking. With every step the voices fade, they're just talking. Hold your head.